Mr. Kappert. In this video I'm going to show you how to model the bolt that holds on the flight controller. You're going to want to create a new sketch. Doesn't matter which plane. You want to go under document settings here and change the units to millimeters. I'm going to do the top of the bolt first. You can either hit C for circle or go the long way through and find circle on here. I normally use the center one. Click the pole out. It should be 4.5 millimeters in diameter. Zoom in if you're out too far. I'm going to stop this sketch. I'm then going to extrude this circle, and I am going to extrude it by 1.6 millimeters. I'm going to do a new sketch on top of the head there. I'm going to duplicate this circle. There's other ways of doing this, but this is how I like to do it. So I'm going to duplicate that circle. Then I'm going to do a rectangle and just place it approximately where it should be. Then I'm going to dimension, so I hit D for dimension. Computer froze a little bit there. D for dimension. There we go. I made this 1.75, which does not look right. Let's just change this to 0.5. Dimension from there, make that 0.5. And then what I want to do is hit T for trim. That's your shortcut. If you ever forget that, you can find trim right here. It's T for trim. I'm going to trim off all of this excess so that I'm just left with the slot for the screwdriver. I'm going to stop the sketch. I'm going to orbit so I can make sure this is going the right way. I'm going to do an extrude, but I'm going to change it to a cut. And then I'm going to go downward, so I'm going to have to go negative, 1. That's what I had. Looks good so far. Now I need to do the rest of the bolt, the threaded portion, so I'm going to sketch on this side. I'm going to hit C for circle, or once again, you can go the long way. The diameter of this is 2.5. I'm going to stop the sketch. I'm going to extrude the threaded portion by 8 millimeters. And then the last step to this would then be to put the threads on there. And make sure you hit model. Always got to do that. Okay. And then A for appearance. And it's already steel for some reason, which is good. Make sure you save this into your drone folder. Let me know if you have any additional questions.